ating YouTube channel. This is Gabby's Vlog. Kasi this week's vlog ay throwback tayo dahil 1 year na about guesting in Bawal Judgmental about Jessie Corcuera. Subscribe na to YouTube channel. Ano may kung bakit gusto kong magmarami views at subscribers. Sana nasa I think 65. Pero di ko alam yan. This is our vlog and episode today, 121, entitled 1 year na si Jessie sa BJ. Here's your vlog. Okay, si Mananan natin. Yes, 1 year na Jessie Corcuera in Bawal Judgmental. That ang topic, trans man personalities, including Kit Cunanan, Clark Reyes, and Kim Andaya. Kaya balikan natin yung panoorin, pati si Dan Padilla. Okay, panoorin natin sa ating video yung last year's 2020 vlog. Watch this. Ito, sisay-isay natin. Una na natin si Jessie Corcuera, a former Starstruck Stars contestants and PBB contestants na naipinanak siyang babae ang naging isa na siyang transgender man. Sa Starstruck babae, sa PBB, pagka-transgender man. Next natin, yung sa That's My Tomboy naman, na naging transgender man. Una na natin si Kim Andaya. That's My Tomboy Season 1, sa Showtime yan. Runner-up with Pao Paraon. Naging transgender man. Then, Clark Reyes, Season 1 Grand Finalist. Naging transgender man. Then, si Dan Padilla, Season 2 naman. Grand Finalist, transgender. At ang kasitan na si Louis Button of Sex Bomb Dancers. And the grand winner of That's My Tomboy Season 2, na si Kit Cunanan na naging transgender man, na dati po siya na napakababae or lesbian. Okay? Isa sa Starstruck or PB at yung apat naman sa That's My Tomboy. Yung dalawa, here's your... Si Fire ay isa siyang advocacy ng kanina mga kanluran at si Neil, Toran, parang hindi ko alam yung last name. Si Neil ay naka-future na sa mapakailanman yung gumanap. Si Andrea Torres, pinapakababae. And si Mike Tan, pakalalaki naman. And rises na noon as, kasintahan yung ni Andrea sa role na sa mapakailanman and Mike Tan. Then, yung question natin, kailan na-start yung mag-medical transmission at the age of 25 below? And the second question is, sino sa kanila na nanalo ng title holder pageants? At third question is, athlete na sa college. Sa number 1, si Jessie, nagsimula po, nagka-operahan, is 22 years old. And naging lalaki na. Tapos, second for si Kit Cunanan, nanalo siya ng pageant title holders. According to that. That's My Tomboy Season 2 grand winner. And, sino kaya ang, athlete na may college pa? Ay, malaman natin niya sa YouTube channel na Idbulaga. Sino yung athletes at college. And, of course, si ating guest si Richard Yam, kung saan nang gumanap bilang Sir Chief sa Be Careful With My Heart ng ABS-CBN. O sa kawalan ng airing ang ABS-CBN dahil sa kawalan ng franchise kasi 70% ng years at 11 naman para sa no. Kaya job pa rin. Kaya mo yan. That's it for our Bawal Judgmental of Trans Men story. Abangan po sa Bawal Judgmental on their full stories. Kaya yan pong ating video last year. Si Jessie sa letter A. Habang si May Mendoza host. Sila Paolo and Jose. At sana supportan natin kay Jessie Corcuera at iba pa mga trans man celebrities or personalities dito sa bawat judgmental go to social media accounts of your favorite trans man personalities. Maraming salamat po at sa lahat ng mga supporters ni Jessie at iba pa. And hope to see you next vlog. Sana okay na lahat at wala na po pandemic para magpokina na. See you next vlog! Bye-bye!